Hello students, today we'll talk about IELTS, the International English Language Testing System, IELTS. So, purpose of IELTS. IELTS is designed to evaluate the ability to use English in real-life situations across 4 key skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So one more time, purpose of IELTS. IELTS is designed to evaluate the ability to use English in real-life situations across 4 key skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And there are 2 types of IELTS: academic IELTS and general training IELTS. Academic IELTS is for students applying to study at universities or other higher education institutions where English is a primary language of instruction. Also used for professional registration in certain fields such as medicine or engineering. So when it comes to IELTS training, general training IELTS is for individuals planning to migrate to English-speaking countries such as Australia, Canada, New Zealand, or the UK. Also suitable for those seeking work experience or training programs. Now let's talk about IELTS structure. IELTS test structure. The first one, you will have listening task. So it's a recorded monologues and conversations. Tests ability to understand spoken English in contexts. The next one is reading. You will have to read passages from books, journals, and newspapers. And the next one is writing. You will have 2 tasks. The first task, you have to describe a graph, chart, or diagram. The second task, you have to write an essay about 250 words. So again, in writing you will have 2 tasks. Task 1, describing a graph, chart, or diagram. Task 2, writing an essay. So the next one is speaking. It's a face-to-face interview with an examiner consisting of 3 parts. So in speaking you will have 3 parts. Part 1, introduction and general questions. Part 2, you will have 1 minute for preparation and 2 minutes for speaking. It's a short speech on a given topic. You have to describe a place, people, or events. And part 3, it's a discussion related to the topic. You will have 6 to 10 questions to discuss. So, and now let's talk about scoring system. So, IELTS scores are reported on a band scale of 0 to 9, with half bands 6.5, 7.5, 8.5 possible. Band 9, it's expert user. Band 6, competent user. Band 5 or below, modest or limited user. So each section, listening, reading, writing, and speaking, is scored individually. And the overall score is the average of the 4. Alright. So who accepts IELTS? over 11,000 organizations in more than 140 countries accept IELTS scores. So it includes universities, immigration authorities, and employers. Why is IELTS important? It demonstrates English proficiency for academic, professional, and immigration purposes. So that's all for today. Thank you and see you in the next lessons. Goodbye.